Your muscles are much stronger while stretching or lengthening, the eccentric phase, than they are contracting or shortening, the concentric phase. So eccentric-only training is the place to start for floor push-ups. Lower slowly and smoothly for 3 to 5 seconds until you reach the floor, then bend your legs and come back up on the knees. Employ a deep and sustained inhale through the nose into the belly during the descent, and then exhale back up. Pro tip: do 3 sets of 3-second negatives 2 to 3 times per week, resting 2 to 3 minutes between sets. Each week, add 1 set per session. Once you can do 5 sets of 3-second negatives, repeat this 3-week process with 4-second negatives, and so forth. Once you can do 5 sets of 5-second negatives, you're ready to do your first push-up. That's right, you're only 9 weeks away from rep number 1. This is a level 1 exercise and the ultimate push-up guide available as a Kindle or paperback on Amazon. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Peace.